If you're doing a tenant fit out or an interior reno, one of the first things that you want your super to do after the floor is demoed or after they get on site is check the level of the floor. It's pretty easy to do. All you need is a laser and a tape measure, and you walk around and you spot check the distance between the laser and the top of the structural slab. And of course, write it down. Inevitably, the floor is going to be out of level, but it's important to know how much it's out of level and where it's out of level. After you write that down on a drawing, you need to evaluate that in order to set a benchmark for overhead coordination of MEPs, HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. You also need that for architectural assemblies like ceiling heights, header heights, and framed opening dimensions. You also need to compare that to your floor tolerances for assemblies like glass partitions, demountable partitions, cabinetry, trim, millwork assemblies, you name it. And don't forget, you need it for your flooring types as well, which could be ceramic tile, it could be wood flooring, really anything that's a large plank-like material, you're going to need to know that. If your floor is too out of whack, the best solution is what they call flashing, which is just a lightweight concrete to build up that floor to be more level and put it within whatever tolerance it is that you're looking for. Now, here's the part that sucks, and here's where the project teams in the field get screwed. It is really difficult to define how much floor flashing you're going to need before a project starts. So your estimator is either going to forget it because they don't know any better, they'll exclude it, or they're going to carry an allowance for it, and that may not be enough. As a project manager or a superintendent, it is your job to make sure that everybody understands the money needs to be spent and you need approval to spend the money and you need it by a certain date. Otherwise, your project's going to be behind schedule. I try to post tidbits like this about construction management every week, but if you want to learn more, go click the link in my bio.